Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to be talking about the FPPR Renewing Powder. So let's get started. So this is the FPPR Renewing Powder itself, and there is 150 grams included. Now you can keep your sleeve toys fresh, beautiful and tidy with this renewing powder from the FPPR collection. The powder makes sure the material that the masturbator is made of maintains its quality, and it also provides a softer sleeve for a realistic sensation. So to use, we're going to be using the mouth masturbator. Simply remove the sleeve from the casing itself. There we go. And next what you're going to do is you're going to take off the cap. Flip the lid open. There are 5 little rings here, and this is where the powder will come out of. Simply lightly coat the sleeve with the powder. Once it has a light coating, pop the cap back on, like so, and apply the powder to the sleeve. Make sure it's completely covered, and it already feels a lot softer. Once you are sure every area has had an even coating, it's all ready to go. Now, if you want to keep this masturbator soft, consistently pop on the powder weekly or whenever you use it after cleaning. Then it's ready to use again. Simply pop it back in the case and it's ready to go. And that is the FPPR Renewing Powder. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.